On our road to 100. Today we're actually opening non-Nerf guns. We've got the Nexus Pro from Adventure Force. We got the Spectrum from Adventure Force. Dart Zone Pro Mark III.
And
what is this one? This is the Game Face Prime. And then we got these guys right here. Without further ado, let's unbox these. All right, before we get started, what should they do, Mitch?
Like the video.
And subscribe. Hit those buttons if you're new to the channel. We're doing all sorts of new unboxing and stuff like this on a regular basis for all the main videos on the main channel. Which one do you want to do first, Mitch?
I don't want to do this.
All right, I'm taking the blue one. You can have the red one. And nobody's got time for that. All right, pop these open. I was able to buy these just off Amazon. I'd actually never heard of this brand before. And let's see how they look. Oh, these are actually pretty sweet. That's pretty cool. All right, we got a grip. Get a grip, Mitch. This is a mag holder, which allows you to... You can either put a regular magazine in there, which you do full-length darts, or you can pop this in, which will let you do half-length darts.
What's the benefit of doing half-length darts?
They're gonna shoot a little bit farther and a little bit more accurate, and then they're obviously half the size, so less storage, and they're gonna be cheaper, and a whole bunch of stuff like that. We're gonna need a screwdriver to be able to pop that on. We got something over here.
Is this the barrel?
That'll be the barrel, yeah. I think you're just gonna be able to screw it right on. Yeah, looks like it.
Pop that on there.
Right, tighty.
Hey, sit down.
Delta, Echo, come here. Come here. Hey, boys. Oh, they're so cute. All right, so we should be able to loosen this off. If you pull the pins out, that's gonna break the gun apart, so you can disassemble it, and then you can mod it or do whatever you want to it. Take your screws out. And then...
This is a lot of work to get a grip on.
I know. There we go. Now we will tighten this back on. Okay, you got it? So that should fit on there now, yeah. And then hold it and flip it around. And we'll put these just like that. Just like that. And then if they all line up properly, you'll just screw it in. All right, so now tighten those up all the way.
Got it. Like the color, like that blue is so nice.
Yeah, they definitely stand out.
That reminds me of the merch you can buy at AaronEsserShop.com.
Like my blue Dino Squad shirt that I'm wearing. That literally has the dogs on it.
It has the boys on it.
That's Delta and Echo that we saw outside. And then Mitch has got Nathan because he's on Team Red, Team Dino. Okay, so let's open up these magazines. Throw these darts in them. Oh, and the darts are the same color as the gun. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. And then you're gonna have to prime it back first, Mitch. Okay, yeah, I did put it the right way. And then, beautiful. This is the safety here. Let's go to spot for a sling. Whoa, okay. Look at how far it bounces back.
I don't know. That looks like it.
Oh, I just got it stuck in the thing. That's how good I am.
Jeez.
Bum shot! All right, next up, we got the Adventure Force Nexus Pro. Very similar. Lasts over 125 feet.
No, open it. Look at this.
What? Okay, that actually, is yours the same?
Yeah.
Okay.
I opened it. I was like, I thought it was just gonna be the basic.
I thought it was just gonna be the orange. Okay, because I have an orange one. I have the orange one right here. Okay, that is actually freaking amazing. I actually completely forgot that it was like that. Okay. Cut all these open. That's actually sweet. Purple and blue is epic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Blue is the greatest color ever.
So you can do full-length darts or half-length darts again. Here they all are. Okay, there we go. Okay, this pops in. I'm gonna start with the full-length.
The skins just keep getting better and better on the gun.
They're just some Fortnite skins. This, gonna have to prime it back.
See it in gun games.
And then-
Sure.
Boom, ready to go.
Yeah, I need my own channel for Nerf lessons. And just teach everyone Nerf tips.
Nerf Lessons by Mitch. That's the channel right there.
Yeah. Woo! That was a hard angle for me. That looks so cool.
Oh, bum shot? There's a bunch of comments in the last videos of like, why does Mitch scream like that? We got the Adventure Force Spectrum, similar style. Yeah. You know what? We actually used this one in non-Nerf gun game 2, which Mitch was a star in. What are you doing? Oh, jeez.
I'm trying to rip these without scissors, and it's not worth it.
Nerf Lessons with Mitch.
Aaron cut his finger.
Yeah, he cut my finger this morning.
He's got a cute little pirate band-aid.
There we go. Let's get these darts out of here. Nice big green darts. All right. Compared to the last two we just had, this is not gonna hit us hard. Since it's battery powered, we're gonna have a little bit more firepower, which is nice.
Oh, yeah, true.
We can shoot it faster. The reason we got 2 more of these is because these are actually really good guns, pretty reliable, so we just need to get some batteries in there. Where'd that screwdriver go? Where's the screwdriver? Lost. Nobody got time for that. Gotta get some batteries. I got a bunch down here. Usually 4 AA's. All right, what do we got here? These are, clearly I bought some cheap knockoff brand.
Okay, this is the dumbest thing. Look at how far this thing is out and it's still on.
You sure you're not the dumbest thing, Mitch?
I'm the dumbest thing. So sad.
Oh yeah, she's working. Okay, take the magazine out, pop this guy back, and apparently this guy likes to fall off pretty easily. So I actually opened this in another video. This is Sweet Gun. Listen to this.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
It's got no darts in it right now. This is a freaking awesome gun. Super reliable, ton of fun. Can shoot half lengths or full length darts. Yeah, that's basically the pro version of this. Look at this. They're like pretty similar. Rev it up.
It revs nicely.
It's nice and clean. No, no, Not bad, not bad, I'll take it.
What was your favorite one in the video today?
The Spectrum's the most fun, it's the easiest to use. These ones, they're so powerful that they're easy to jam and easy to make mistakes with. So a little bit more reliability, this is a good gun.
I agree, but my least favorite somehow is the final one.
To finalize it, we got the Glove Blaster, which apparently shoots these little guys right here. Make a fist and shoot. The upper grate rises and fires a loaded dart. One shot is 4 darts, full hand shooter. I feel like this is meant for this guy right here.
Yeah.
For an 8-year-old. How does this work? What? They have different colors? Let's go. All right, guys. Mitch is on the fence. Comment down below. Team red or team blue? What team are you on? Oh, how does it lift up?
I just put it on my hand.
Oh, you just pull up. Oh, okay. And then they go like this, I'm assuming? Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go 4 in. Come on, hand. Fit.
No. What is going on?
Did you see how it worked? Did you see that fire, Mitch?
No, I missed it. Do it again.
All you do is make a fist.
Alright, you ready?
You almost shot me in the eye. No. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you like these blasters we opened. If you guys want to check them out, there'll be links to buy them on Amazon or wherever in the link in the description. If you use those affiliate links, it helps me and the channel out. What should they do, Mitch?
Like the video.
Like the video, you should subscribe. Make sure you also check me out on TikTok and Instagram. All these guns are gonna be used in videos this summer on the main